Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is part 13 of SQL Server tutorial. In previous session we have discussed about scalar functions in SQL Server. In today's session we are going to discuss about inline table valued functions. Before continuing with this session, I would request you all please subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon for notification alerts. This function returns data as a table. In previous sessions we have discussed about scalar functions where data will be returned as a single value. Inline table valued functions output we will get as a table. We can use the table valued function just like a table. These inline table valued functions are equivalent to our SQL table. This is the syntax for inline table valued function. Create function, these are keywords. Here we have to provide the function name. Also we can pass multiple input parameters for inline table valued function along with the data type we have to pass, where it will return as a table. Output we will get it as table. Here we have to pass our select statement. This is the example. Create function. Here we are providing function name, and here we are passing employee ID along with the data type. It will return table, and here we are using our select statement along with the input parameter. We have one table called employee master where it contains employee information. From this employee master we have to extract one employee information based on employee ID. For that we are going to create one inline table valued function where it will extract employee information based on employee ID. We will pass this employee ID to our inline table valued function. It will extract the data like this. We'll switch to SQL Server and we'll create one inline table valued function and we'll try to extract the data from employee master. I'm using Microsoft SQL Server 2012 for this example, and I'm going to use Windows authentication. If you want, you can use the SQL Server authentication by providing login ID and password. Click on connect. It's connected to my database server. Expand the databases. Expand the database called demo. We are going to use demo database. Expand the tables. And we have one table called employee master. We are going to use this table for this example. Just check the records from this table. It contains employee information. We will create one inline table valued function and we will pass this employee ID to extract the data. To create inline table valued function, click on database, new query, create function. We have to provide the function name. This is my function name. Here we can pass the input parameter. We are going to pass employee ID as a input parameter and the data type will be integer, where it returns output as a table. Here we have to write our select statement, that is select star from. We have to provide our table name employee master, where the employee ID we have to filter. This is our input parameter, we have to pass it here. Click on execute. So our function is created. Expand the programmability, expand the functions, expand the table valued functions. Our function has been created here. Now we'll see how to execute a inline table valued function. This is the syntax to execute inline table valued function. Just like how we will use select query in SQL Server, like that we can call this inline table valued function. Select star from. Here we have to pass the function name and input parameter we have to pass. This is the example, select star from. This is the function name, and here we have to pass the input parameter. If we don't have any input parameter, then directly we can execute the function. We'll switch to SQL Server and we'll try to execute the inline table valued function. This is our function name, select star from. We have to pass the function name. Also we have to pass the input parameter. Suppose I want to get the employee ID 1 information. For that I have to pass 1 here. Click on execute. So we are able to extract the data of employee ID 1. Like this I want to get the data of 7. So here we can pass the employee ID as 7 so that we can extract the data of employee ID 7. Like this we can create inline table value function in SQL Server and we can use like our SQL table. In today's session we have discussed about inline table value functions in SQL Server. In next session we are going to discuss about multi-statement table value functions in SQL Server. That's it for today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.